In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit Shopify pages on your Shopify store. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to refine your existing skills, this guide will provide you with all the information you need to effectively build and manage pages on your store without any hassle. Let's get started by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and navigate to the home page of your store's admin panel. This is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now, once you're on the dashboard, find and click on the navigation link for online store. It's usually located on the left-hand side in the sidebar menu, among other options. Selecting this will expand additional options related to your online store configuration. Next, click on Pages from the expanded menu. Pages are different from products. They are the informational parts of your site, like your About Us page or Contact Us page. Once you click Pages, you'll see a screen displaying all the existing pages of your store. To create a new page, click on Add Page. This button is prominently displayed on the top right corner. Once you click Add Page, you'll be taken to a new page where you'll input all the necessary details for your new page. First, you need to give your page a title. The title should be relevant and concise, reflecting the content you plan to add. It's what customers see as the header, so make sure it's clear and descriptive. After you've decided on a title, proceed by typing your main content. If you want to emphasize any part of your text, you can use the bold option by highlighting the text you wish to make bold and clicking the B icon in the text editor. This helps make important information stand out and makes your content more engaging and readable. Once you're satisfied with your content, adjust the visibility settings. Click on the visible option if you want your page to be accessible to your customers immediately. Keep in mind, if the page is not set to visible, it won't appear on the front end of your store until you decide to make it so. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click the Save button. It's important to save your progress so any changes or new pages are successfully updated to your store. And there you have it. Creating and editing pages on Shopify is as simple as that. Remember, regularly updating and optimizing your store pages can keep your site fresh and relevant to your customers. Thanks for watching, and good luck enhancing your Shopify store.